Hola estudiantes, ¿cómo están? Hoy vamos a estudiar week number 3. So if you're looking at me in the morning, I will say, buenos días, estudiantes. If you look at me by noon to the afternoon, I will say, buenas tardes, estudiantes, ¿cómo están? And if you're looking at this at the evening time or at night, I would say, buenas noches. Well, my estudiantes, this week we're going to study la hora. ¿Qué hora es? En español, when we're talking about 1 o'clock, we say ¿qué hora es? Es la una. When we're talking about 2, 3, 4, and beyond, we're going to say ¿qué hora es? Son las 2. Son las 3. Okay, so make sure you understand that. You can look at the book and you can look at the videos. And please do the activities. And also one more thing, make sure that you understand the vocabulary. And another verb that is irregular is the verb I. H-A-Y. I. It's not hi, it's I. Remember the H is silent. And this means there are. Hay un chico en la clase. There is a boy in the classroom, right? So I means both. There is and there are. So please keep working. You're doing an awesome job. I'll see each other next week. Hasta la vista.